working on solving a problem about Pete's buttons using subtraction. But before we begin, let's look at this anchor chart that says subtraction up at the top. Now, we've made this subtraction anchor chart a while ago. So let's review what we know about subtraction when you guys helped me make this chart. So you told me that when you're subtracting, that you might need to cross off. I might need to cross off to subtract. Right? If you're drawing a picture. Subtraction is the same thing as take away. This is the symbol for subtraction. And we know that subtraction is the opposite of addition. And here we see a story about Mrs. Hanson where we practiced subtracting. So we see that it says Mrs. Hanson had 8 pencils. Do you remember when we did this?
Yeah.
She lost 1. How many are left? So a lot of times when we're problem solving with the word subtraction, we hear the words, how many are left? And here we see a number sentence that's subtraction. 8 minus 1 equals 7. So there we see it in an equation or a number sentence. So today you're going to get a sheet and you're going to put your name on it when you get it. And it has a problem on it about Pete the cat. So first, put your name on your paper.
I already did.
Good, then you're following directions. Nice. Put your pencil down. Let's point to the words and read this together. You can read it with me. Pete the cat had blank buttons on his shirt. Blank popped off and rolled away. How many buttons does Pete have left on his shirt? So today you're going to solve this problem. What's missing from this problem? Isaiah, what's missing?
The number, how many he had.
Oh, the numbers are missing, aren't they? Well, guess what? Guess how you're going to get to figure out the numbers on Pete's shirt. Number of buttons. We've got our big box of buttons, and you're going to get a cup, and you're going to scoop into the button box to get Pete's buttons. You're going to dump your buttons out onto your paper. And, oops, look, one of our rings was in with our buttons here. We don't need that. Pete the cat had blank buttons. How am I going to find out how many buttons Pete the cat had that was in this cup here? Remember, what do I have to do then?
Count.
Oh, very good. Let's all say that. Sophie, what do we have to do?
Count.
Count. Will you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Whoa! Who can help me write the number 27? Wow, what does a 27 look like?
A 27 looks like a 2 and a 7.
A 2 and a 7 right next to each other. So I'm going to write that number on the top of my paper. Now, I am going to take some away. I'm going to make pretend that some of them are popping off and rolling away. So I'm just going to take some and move them away. Let's count how many popped off and rolled away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to record that on my sheet. You have your own buttons that'll pop off. But Mrs. Gerlach had 7 roll away. So I solved this problem by using objects, didn't I?
Yeah.
I used real buttons this time. So you're going to start out by using real buttons first. But then, this is your challenge. I want you to use one of your favorite math strategies to solve this problem. So let's think about some of the ways that you could solve this problem on paper. What could you do? Could you, Sophie, what could you do? You could do a number line.
You could write a picture.
You could draw a picture.
You could write a template.
You could draw a template.
You could make a picture that looks like Pete's button.
Okay, you could make a picture that looks like Pete's buttons. Okay, nice. So right now, we're all going to scoop out some buttons, and then you're going to get to choose how you want to solve the problem on the paper. So thank you, Ben. Remember, the more you scoop out, the more you're going to have to count, and the longer it'll take. You don't want to make a little scoop.
But not too little.
Thank you, Ben. You're being a good friend, passing out cups to our group.
Two actions.
All right, so let's take a scoop. Big number, 39. You're probably going to want to start here maybe at like 25 and go up to maybe 40.
1, 2,
Remember how many lines you have to make up like that? 1, 2, 5, 3, 6, 2. So this is 10. We've got to go to 7,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 24.
I want you to try and do another 10 frame here.
Okay. I started with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19,
Half the way.
22, 23, 24, Miss York, I need to make another check. 27,
You do. Very good,
29,
Ben.
30,
Sophie, how many buttons do you think I have?
59,
Wow, 59. How many captain?
5.
Okay, and how are you choosing to solve it?
Number
A number.
5, 6,
So
7, 8,
you should probably start
11,
at
12,
about
13, 14,
maybe go
15,
from
16,
50 to
17,
60.
22, 23,
Too many. How many lines do we have to clean up? We should fix that, shouldn't we?
35, 36, 37,
How you doing?
38, 39. I saw the back one.
Everybody listen. Everybody listen. Alex, say that again. You started at,
What team?
and then what did you do?
I bumped back one because one popped off.
Did you hear him say that this number line, he bumped back one? When we're subtracting, we have to bump backwards, right? That's the opposite of when we add on the number line. When we're doing addition on the number line, then we have to bump forward. Okay, keep going. Let's fix this.
1, 2, 3,
4.
4, 5,
Okay.
7, 48,
Maybe you should. I
49,
think that would be a good idea. So just erase your numbers. And then I'll help you because your lines are kind of close together.
1, 62, 63, 64,